PTA removes videos from TikTok and blocks accounts. The Pakistan Telecommunications Authority (PTA) has deleted 9.8 million TikTok videos as well as blocking 720,000 uploads for such content. In the case of the deletion of immoral contents of TikTok, the head of the authority said that, after his proceedings, TikTok first appointed Pakistan as a focus person, headed by the Chief Justice of Pacific, Mr. Rashid Khan, to share details with the High Court of Peshawar, PHC. It was also shown that a number of countries were approached during the deletion process before they were uploaded to the platform. Chief Justice Rashid Khan of the PHC in Kaisar ordered the PTA to not shut down the platform and continue its action against the application for video shared. He said immoral material has had the greatest impact on society and action should be taken to filter out such obscene material. The court later deferred the hearing. The Standing Committee on Defense of the National Assembly was briefed on the 14th of June in connection with Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and other social media platforms. The official at NACTA even said that Facebook did not reply to our requests but regretted that the legislation on data security was missing and called on legislators to do their part here. The PTA officials stated during the hearing that they were acting primarily on the FIA guidelines and previously shut down all the country's main obscene websites.